Welcome back everybody, and for those of you that are new, please consider subscribing. I post videos weekly and you might find them helpful or something you might want to make. Okay, and if you are subscribed, be sure to check that bell notification. Make sure you click it on so you get my newest, latest, and most updated videos. Okay, so today I'm going to do a very simple recipe. Some of you probably already know how to do this. I'm going to make pink lemonade. Summer is upon us. It's time for backyard barbecues and parties, and what better way to serve your guests a refreshing drink to cool them off than pink lemonade. And for those of you that don't know, pink lemonade is basically a combination of lemonade with strawberry in it, which colors it pink. This is how I do that. Here we go. Okay, first I'm going to take the lemons that I have and slice them in half, and eventually I'm going to juice them. Now, I'm not going to give you a certain amount of lemons, but you will want a certain amount of lemon juice, somewhere between 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, somewhere like 6 to 8 ounces. So I'm going to see how much I can get out of the lemons that I have on hand. Okay, so it looks like I will have a little under 8 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and that's perfect. Okay, next I am going to work on my strawberries. You'll want to use at least 10 ounces of fresh strawberries. I actually had a 16-ounce container of strawberries that we had been eating, so I don't know the exact amount of strawberries, but somewhere between 8 to 10 ounces of fresh strawberries will work with this. Now, if you have more, that's great. It'll just be more strawberry flavor to your lemonade. So once I'm done cutting and chopping them, I'm going to puree it. And these are really juicy strawberries, so I don't need any liquid to help them puree. But if you do, you can add a little bit of that lemon juice. Once my strawberries are pureed just like this, I am going to sieve them right into the same measuring cup with that freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now, you don't have to sieve if you don't mind pulp and seeds, but I think it looks really nice when you sieve it. Okay. Now that that is combined, I am going to add sugar. You can add the sweetener of your choice. If you want something sugar-free, use a natural stevia or a sugar substitute, but I like to add somewhere between 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of sugar. And once that is dissolved, it's time to mix everything together. I am going to be adding 2 quarts of water to the strawberry lemon sugar mixture, and that is it. Super easy and super delicious. Okay, so I'm going to serve this in a mason jar with lots of ice, and look at that wonderful color. This is really summer in a glass. So what did you guys think? Super easy, right? And it's perfect for this hot weather. It's perfect for parties, and it's such a cute pink drink. So I hope you guys consider subscribing, and for my subscribers, check that bell notification, because I know some of you have expressed that you haven't seen my videos. The notifications pop up. That might be why. But anyways, I hope you guys like this recipe. I hope you give it a try, and thanks for watching. Bye.